Open the IMLeagues app, go to the hamburger, and switch to fitness/reservations. Once you go to the dates, you'll see each hour and each facility that's available. So you can click on the hour that you're checking people in. You'll see the participants listed. You'll see Mackenzie is signed up to work out here. There's one of 25 people signed up for this hour. So you can go to the admin and you can edit attendance if needed. If you need to add somebody because they want to stay longer, you go ahead and add them here. Or you can check them in with their QR code. So how a person would find their QR code is to go there, go to their profile, and go to their virtual ID. And that's where you would scan their QR code. The other way that you can scan someone's QR code rather than going all the way into the specific time and date is you can go to QR code check-in under the admin links when you're signed into the fitness